This is the Westermann WKB330. This is the baby brother of the larger 660. The machine comes ready assembled, apart from the handles, which you fasten on and adjust to a comfortable position. The engine is a 4-stroke, so you use unleaded petrol and check the oil level with the oil level indicator here. The weeds are ripped out using 4 braided ropes, and there is a side flap so that you can access wheel bottoms and hard to reach areas. The machine starts easily using the throttle, which you push to the on position, turn the switch on and pull the starter cord. To engage the cutters, you pull the control lever up. It's best to tilt the machine slightly so that the blades aren't catching on the floor when you engage the cutters. Now let's go and find some weeds to remove.
We hope you found that video informative. Please feel free to like or share with any friends or colleagues. We regularly add new videos relating to our products, and these can consist of action, product overview and how-to videos. To receive these in the future, please subscribe to our channel. For more information on this video, either give the office a call or visit the website, links below. My name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products Limited, and our main contact number is 0333 880 6654. Thanks very much for watching.